Hello, thank you for joining in. This is a demo on how to import contacts to Mailrush. I have a pre-made list called list.csv with the first name, two columns, first name and email, first name root, this is the email address. Right, we are going to be working with this CSV file. So we go to contact section. We don't have any contacts yet. We add contact, choose file, we are going to go to where I have it. I think desktop. Yeah, right. So it is list CSV. The next step is to map the fields. So here, what we want to do is map the field name. This is going to be used for personalization, and we match it with the column of the CSV. So first name with first name, and usually, if it is named email, it will automatically select the email and match it up with the email account, right? If you don't have that first row with the names, you will see the email address of the first contact. So make sure you have at least the title on the first row of the CSV file. So assign contacts. Then the next step is to assign a tag to that contact that we are bringing in. We have two options: to use existing tags or to create a new one. I'm going to use CRM in this case and submit. And that will import Ruth as our first contact for this campaign, for this entire list. Then we can assign tags to campaigns, but that's another video. Thank you very much.